So the course has been really interesting and eye-opening. I really enjoyed all the practical sessions and I feel like I've learned a lot from the last 2 days.
I've gone away from this course feeling much more confident to build against racism in my school and in my community.
I've had a really, really good weekend. I was slightly nervous when I turned up, but I've learnt lots and I'm really excited to go back to school now.
It was extremely valuable. It's got me and other people to explore our creative side.
We're more than just the skin we're in, the skin we're in, the skin we're in. We're more than just the skin, more than just the skin. We're more than just the skin we're in, the skin we're in, the skin we're in. We're more than just the skin, more than just the skin.
Just because I'm a mum doesn't mean I'm done. Just because I'm female doesn't mean I'll fail. See me as an object, but I deserve respect. Being a woman doesn't define me. What matters is what's inside me.
You see me as aggressive. I see you as oppressive. You put me in a pigeonhole when I'm just trying to do my role. We're more than just the skin we're in, the skin we're in, the skin we're in. We're more than just the skin, more than just the skin. We're more than just the skin we're in, the skin we're in, the skin we're in. We're more than just the skin, more than just the skin.
I'm all about defying your fixed ideologies, the aggressive black woman you think you see. Speaking out against the sideline, resistance to misogyny becomes mine.
Sexism has no place in schools. Makes us gender stereotyping tools. The truth beneath the lies is every child cries. I'm about fluidity, acceptance and unity, putting gender oppression in the dustbin of history.
Yes, my skin is black, but try to give me no flag. Full of energy and youth, so give me the mic in this booth. Watch my dresses, they swing, they make me word here, I'm a king. Everybody's more than just a gender, open the rhyme, let's go November.
We're more than just the skin we're in, the skin we're in, the skin we're in. We're more than just the skin, more than just the skin. We're more than just the skin we're in, the skin we're in, the skin we're in. We're more than just the skin, more than just the skin. I've really enjoyed the course this weekend and it's really taught me about challenging stereotypes and thinking about how I share love music, hate racism with my young people and how important it is to bring this message back to school.
Yeah, I've had an amazing time. We've had some really interesting discussions and it's been great making music with people and learn about the main project gardens and trying to find different ways to kind of combat racism and challenge it in the schools.
So I came on the Love Music, Hate Racism course just as something that was very unfamiliar for me, and it was really interesting to find out more about that movement and how it sort of came out of the Rock Against Racism.
I've had a fantastic experience, met lots of like-minded people, got lots of new ideas, grown in confidence, and it's inspired me to be a bit more active in the fight against racism, so all in all, really great weekend.
I've really enjoyed being on this course. I feel like it's been nice to see and hear about other people's experiences whilst also branching out with some of the members of the team who delivered the course.
It's been a great weekend, great to meet lots of different people, loads of interesting discussion, and I feel like I've got lots of ideas to take back to school to tackle racism.
Your face isn't right, not fitting in, because of your gender, your class, your skin.
In the classroom, assumptions are made.
Challenging stereotypes is why I get paid. Years of work and training, still the challenges keep reigning.
Your face isn't right, not fitting in, because of your gender, your class, your skin.
I may be a young woman in society built by man, but I do the real job I love, beyond and above.
Your face isn't right, not fitting in, because of your gender, your class, your skin.
We may be young, don't mean we are dumb. People may hate, this is not our fate.
Your class is our space, regardless of race. Your face isn't right, not fitting in, because of your gender, your class, your skin.
outside the class, in society, fighting for rights and equality.
Teachers, parents, students and staff, we gotta fight before we laugh.
Your face isn't right, not fitting in, because of your gender, your class, your skin.
Hey, the course has been amazing. I work for Love Music Hate Racism, and this is the first time I've been. It's actually been really enlightening and inspiring to come for the weekend, make a track, meet all the teachers, and actually see how you realistically can implement Love Music Hate Racism.
It was really great to see all the teachers getting involved and sharing ideas and learning about Black history and learning about hip hop and taking ideas that they're going to have to be able to use back in the classroom and back in their own communities.
Yeah, it was all, every year I'm always impressed by the levels. What I really enjoyed this year was the skills, the range of expertise that the various teachers brought to the session.
So compared to last year, I think it was definitely more of a kind of eclectic mix of people and lots of different skills, lots of different areas, and really actually quite a lot of knowledgeable people.
Some of the white participants on the course, for example, actually came and said, I was a bit nervous at first and I thought maybe I wouldn't really know enough, or that it wasn't my place to speak or whatever, but has been really interesting, and I've really felt that I could speak and join in. And I think that's what feels really moving every year, is the way that doesn't matter who comes, where in the country they're from, they really seem to get excited.
This class is our space regardless of race.